What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Sonia Again TV. I am excited to be sharing with you this video. Reason being is it's a vlog. It's a vlog, but it's about my first hike here in Oregon. It's incredible how long I've lived here, but never hiked this beautiful state of Oregon. And after coming back from Hawaii and just hiking and enjoying hiking, I decided that I want to start hiking here in Oregon. But before I do share with you guys this video, I wanted to apologize. There's some things that I said that I was going to share weekly, and I haven't. For that reason, I've kind of taken down some videos. But I'm excited because there are some things that I want to share with you guys, but I'm not going to reveal them yet because I'm still working on it. I hope that you subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified every time we upload videos. I am freaking excited. Can't wait to reveal everything that's coming in the near future. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this vlog. It's actually my first hike in Oregon ever. Funny how I've lived in Oregon for a long time and have never gone hiking in Oregon. We're now picking up everybody that's gonna go, and I hardly had sleep, so we'll see how I feel on this hike.
Through my fingers, out of sight, how could I have let you go? Cutting corners, turning stones, but I can only see your ghost. I just live a fast life, forget about the past. I numb out to escape my fears. Friendships only pass by, show up on like strobe lights. With you I feel something real.
We're supposed to go to, what was it called?
Hi everyone!
High on life till the day we die. High on life till the day we die. Do what it takes. Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, run me like a racehorse. Hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word upon your lip. Rather that you rip, break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I'll do what it takes. my body feeling miserable. Was hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like a martyrdom. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never be enough, I'm the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, whip, run me like a racehorse. Hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, slip. Word upon your lip, lip. Rather that you rip, rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains.
Hey, Pooh, you wanna make a shout out too?
I thought all the way through, so I'm gonna give them feedback. That's my the one and only.
Who's the one and only?
No, the one and only.
Hypocritical, egotistical. Don't wanna be the parenthetical, hypothetical. Working on to something that I'm proud of. Out of the box, an epoxy to the world and the vision we've lost. I'm an apostrophe. I'm just a symbol to remind you that there's more to see. I'm just a product of the system, a catastrophe, and yet a masterpiece. And yet I'm half diseased. And when
First thing I would like to say is
leave the body of my soul to be a part of me. I do what it takes. 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 Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, 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 Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds.
thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder.
And that is the end of our vlog. I hope that you have enjoyed. The reason that I like uploading these vlogs to this YouTube channel is I hope that in enjoying my life, I would inspire you to enjoy your life as well. Because it's not just about going to school, going to your job, or growing that business that you passionately love, but it's also about cherishing the moments that you have with your loved ones. Because honestly, tomorrow is not promised. And when you have the chance to spend with your loved ones, your friends, cherish it. That is the biggest lesson that I've learned this week, and I wanted to share with you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you do. Hit the bell button so that you get notified every single time that we upload videos, and I'll see you on our next video.